Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Katie and this is Rouse Rising. On this channel I like to share with you all about holistic homemaking, lifestyle, and parenting. If that's something you're into, click the subscribe button because I would love to have you a part of the Rouse Rising family. Today I have a fun video. I am sharing with you my Fab Fit Fun Subscription Box. This is an excellent box or subscription service for busy people like me and like you. I don't have a lot of time to spend in stores browsing for different products that I need, so I love that the Fab Fit Fun subscription allows you to select and customize your subscription box all in one place, and they deliver it right to your front door. This is the box for summertime, and I am going to do an unboxing and share with you everything that came in my Fab Fit Fun box. This is everything that I selected to suit me personally, but rest assured there are tons of options when you subscribe to this box. You're going to be able to select each product from each category, and the products that you choose are going to suit you as well. This box just got a nice tan. Because it's summertime, this is their summertime box. Over here it says FabFit Fun is a nice place where nice people get nice things at nice prices. On this box it says Summer 2024 FabFit Fun. And when you open it up on the inside, it says explore some of the internet's best deals. You can just scan the QR code right there. As well, it says deals for days. Deals every week on all of your favorite brands. You can enter to win $1,000 in credit when you share your favorite FabFit Fun finds. You can tag FabFit Finds, hashtag FFF giveaway, and FabFit Fun. You can visit the FabFit Fun website to check out everything and to place your order. On the front of the box, it says again, FabFit Fun is a nice place where nice people get nice things at nice prices, customized just for you, a perfect gift for you or yours. So this makes an excellent gift if there is a woman in your life, if you have a daughter-in-law, if you have a daughter, if you have a mother, and you want to find them a gift, but you're not sure exactly what to get them, you can get them a FabFit Fun annual box or a seasonal box, and then they can go and pick out the things that they want. It just makes a great gift for any of your loved ones. And this is curated in California, so sort of local to me. On the box it also has a lady. It looks like she's really enjoying her time catching a tan. She's got her beautiful sun hat and bikini on. The spring box had a really awesome sun hat, and you guys can check that out if you want to. On my channel, I've got the video linked down below in this video's subscription. So every season they give options for products that suit that season. So my spring box was a lot of fun, and I'm excited to check out what's inside of this summer subscription box. As we open it up inside, they've got it packaged nicely, so we'll just take that out of there. And the first thing that we're going to get to right here is I selected this cooler bag. This cooler bag is from Business and Pleasure, and I selected this cooler bag because, well, we just broke our family's cooler bag, the one that we use for grocery shopping or trips to the lake, things like that. So I picked out this cooler bag. It also has, if you're into golf, it has the Masters green color detail on the straps. The straps have a nice wavy two-tone detail, which I think is really, really cute. And the cooler bag has a front pocket to stash your keys, your lip balm, things of that nature. And you've got a nice zipper opening with a polyurethane lining to keep the water and the ice in here and to keep it cool. This bag is insulated, and it also has a nice adjustable shoulder carry strap, so you can carry it like a crossbody bag, and you can put all of your beverages, your lunch, whatever you need in there. I plan on using this for the grocery store and lake trips. I thought it was really cute, and I just love the colors on it. You want to make sure that you pack pre-chilled items into this cooler, use with ice packs, and keep it in the shade to help it maintain its internal cool temperature. Keep the zipper closed when not in use, and that's also going to help you keep your food nice and cool. So super cute bag. And I will say that you save so much money when you get these FabFit Fun boxes, because everything in here can amount to $250 to $300, but you're paying much less than that. That's why I love these FabFit Fun boxes. They are economical, and if you like to try different products and things like that, but you don't want to spend a whole bunch of money, then getting the FabFit Fun box is great because you have options, you can pick your own products, and you're going to get them at a fraction of the price for what you're going to pay for them at a retail store. The next item in my FabFit Fun box is this machete hair clip. It comes in a cute little bag like this. You can reuse it to put your lip balms or whatever in. And this is a really strong, sturdy clip. This isn't your typical cheap plastic clip that's going to fall apart. The spring in it is very sturdy, very durable. You can tell that this is not going to break easily. It also has these little grippies on the inside, so if you're like me and you have thicker hair and you have a hard time getting it in a clip, this clip is going to grip your hair really well. It's a really nice clip. Let's see. I'm able to French twist my hair up and put it back in this clip. Isn't that nice? I always have a hard time finding clips that have a strong enough spring in them to hold my thick hair, my thick and heavy hair. Typically clips are loose and flimsy, and either the springs in them break or they just won't secure my hair well enough and they end up falling out. But this, I can tell, it is really secure. My hair is not bobbling, wobbling, or anything, so I thought that this clip was a great find in my FabFit Fun box. It was a great option for me to select this clip for my hair. I was really excited about it. I thought, well, that looks like a sturdy clip. The next item in my FabFit Fun box is the Earth Harbor Samphire Biotic Perfecting Serum, and I was running low on my facial serums, and I am in the era of anti-aging treatments. That is right. I am 40 years old and I waited way too long to start doing anti-aging treatments. I waited too long to start using serums on my face, but here I am at 40 years old and I am now using serums daily. So when I saw this particular serum in the options, I selected it because I needed a serum, and I've actually used this a few times already. It's really lovely. I love the way that it feels on my face. It has sea postbiotics in it, which are really good for your skin. If you've ever gone swimming in the ocean and been in a lot of salt water, you know that it does wonders for your face, for your skin, for your hair. It is very healing, and I live too far away from the ocean to go and get a nice ocean soak. So this Biotic Perfecting Serum has been working really well. My skin has been feeling great. This is the one thing that I did crack open into this box and start using because I'm desperate for some anti-aging care. I'm desperate to minimize all of the patchiness on my face. I have a lot of melasma from all of my pregnancies. So I started using this and it really makes my skin feel nice. This is the first thing I put on before my moisturizer and I've really enjoyed it. This clarifies, blurs, balances, and exfoliates and calms your skin. So if you get some red patches, if you've got some red acne or some rosacea, that type of thing, this is going to calm down that redness on your skin and make your skin look really nice. I've really been enjoying using this serum. I thought I should definitely try out the serum before I give you a review on it, and I'm really pleased with it. The next item in my box is this Dana Joe piece of jewelry. This is actually an anklet, and it is a gold anklet. It's a 2-strand gold anklet, and it has an adjustable clasp on it, so it will fit all sorts of sizes of ankles. I do not have any anklets, but I figured for summertime and against the tan skin, this gold tone anklet is going to be so beautiful and accentuate my ankle just right. So I was really excited to pick this up. I think it's just gorgeous, and it's going to match the next piece of jewelry that I'm going to share with you. I'm also in a gold era. I'm really enjoying gold jewelry. I love it. I used to be really into silver, My wedding band was actually plated in, I can't remember what it was plated in, white gold maybe, but all the white gold has worn off, so now it's a real light colored gold, and I've just been going with it. I also have a band that is gold as well, but I have some gold rings that are coming, and I'm really excited about those because they're gonna look great with this gold toned jewelry. The next thing I got is by Cherie, and this is a beautiful teardrop pearl necklace. So you've got the 3 pearls, and I thought this was really pretty as well. But I thought that this was really simple, really elegant, and will pair nicely with many of my summer outfits. So I went ahead and picked this up. See how pretty that is? These are genuine pearls, and they're organically shaped. They're not perfectly round. And the last thing I got is this 3-piece makeup brush set. I actually selected this set for my daughters. My 2 girls are getting into playing with makeup. They like to play around putting makeup on their faces. So they don't have any makeup brushes. I thought it would be really fun to gift them this set of makeup brushes so that they can have a nice set of makeup brushes as they start their journey into young womanhood and exploring and playing with makeup. You know, everything in moderation. I tell them just a touch, just to enhance your features. So they're having a lot of fun playing with makeup, and these lovely brushes, they are so soft. I have not used them yet, but they're just real soft and real nice, and I think that these brushes are going to be great on my little girl's skin. I would keep these for myself. I already have a set of makeup brushes, but I thought that I would get these for the girls, and I think they will really enjoy them. This is a Spectrum A03 foundation brush, and it's lovely. I can tell that it's going to spread makeup very well. So when you place an order for your Fab Fit Fun box, you too are going to get to select the items and customize what exactly goes into your Fab Fit Fun box. When you go to FabFitFun's website, you're going to be given 2 options. You can either purchase their annual subscription box, or you can purchase their seasonal subscription box, and I have a deal on both of those for you. With the annual subscription box, you're going to use promo code ROWESGIFT, that's ROWESGIFT, and you're going to get a free gift with your annual subscription box purchase. With the seasonal box, when you use code ROW20, you're going to get 20% off of your first seasonal box. That's code ROWE20 to get 20% off of your first seasonal box. Now, I am a FabFitFun partner, and this video was sponsored by FabFitFun. They helped out by sending me this box, and I was able to select all of the products that go in it. And I know that you're going to love the whole process in selecting goodies for yourself and your loved ones. If you know a busy woman in your life that you want to bless, that you want to treat special, you can pick up a FabFitFun box for them, and they can customize it themselves. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got to see some of the things that come in the boxes. As I said before, the boxes are customizable, and you are given many products to choose from, and you can choose the most expensive products, you can choose the least expensive products, but either way, you're gonna save over $250 when you purchase these boxes. If you were to go in the stores and buy all of these products, it would equal out to between $250 and $300, but you're getting this for under 60 bucks, which is a huge deal. So definitely check it out. Linked down below in this video's description, you're gonna find all the information about the FabFitFun boxes and the promo codes that I mentioned previously in this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoy shopping FabFitFun, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!